He mirrored to me the dead ends of certainty. So I began questioning and redefining what it truly meant to be having an open human experience. There is the kind to be open-minded and another to be open-hearted. But I always forget to nurture the openness that is rooted in not knowing. Victim to my own assumptions and collected programs, I've been forgetting to gaze through the world with 1,000 eyes. To truly be curious and open is to question everything, assume nothing, and consider everything an experiment. So you can hold space for truths to authentically reveal themselves before you project your own biases. To me, this is a truly spiritual experience and practice of non-attachment. That includes attachments to everything I've known and will know. All I truly have is this moment, and to commune with my intentions and symbolisms of the present. Be curious and know nothing, for the magic and eroticism in life lies in all the possibilities to be discovered.